am Vaishali Bagmare. Welcome you once again to my channel Level Up Learning. Today we are going to learn simple past tense using primary verbs. Now when do I use this type of tense? This is basically used to talk about the state of something in past. For example, I was absent, he was a student, they were players. Now primarily we use was and were as the primary verbs of simple past tense. Now when do I use was and when do I use were? Was is used to talk about the singular noun. He, she, it, name of the person, or I. I was, he was, she was, it was. Talking about were. So were is used when we have the subject called they or we in plural terms. They were friends, they were players, we were in the same class. You, after you we use were, still it shows a singular noun. You were crazy, you were intelligent. Now let us learn how to make the example. So I make the example here. She was a student. Positive, negative, she wasn't a student. Was and not together gives me wasn't, contracted form. Question 1, as I told you earlier, when you have primary verb after the subject, you only need to interchange the subject and the primary verb. So question 1, was she a student? Negative, wasn't she a student? Question 2, why was she a student? Negative question 2, why wasn't she a student?